జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. When Hanuma said to Sita Devi that Rama and Lakshmana are safe, with that message, with that news, Sitamma got so happy and saying that it is said if we are alive, at some point we will end up having a good news and end up having joy in our life. So that proverb now became true in my life. And then Sitamma, Hanuma got believed in each other, but Sita Devi, when she felt that she believed in Hanuma started reaching very close to Sita Devi. Again Sitamma got doubt that probably Ravana himself came in this form. When she got that doubt, Hanuma doing namaskaram to Sita Devi. Tam drishtva vandamanantu. Even after looking at Hanuma doing namaskaram, Sita Devi dirgham uchvasya. She is breathing heavily, thinking that he is Ravana himself. Now saying that, yes, you are Ravana. In Janasthanam, you have abducted me in the form of sannyasi. Now I believe that you are Ravana. O Rakshasa, I am away from my husband. I did not eat anything. I got so weak and thin, and I am going through so much of grief. You should not be torturing me like this. That is not good to you. Like that, Sitamma saying to Hanuma, one side she is getting doubt, and on other hand, she is feeling kind of so good and pleasant to see Hanuma. And again saying that if at all you are sent by Rama, O Vanara, may you be safe. O Vanara, I always take pleasure in listening about Sri Ramachandra Swami. Now you go ahead and describe my Rama's beautiful qualities. Sitamma said to Hanuma like that, again feeling that, am I dreaming? No, I am not dreaming. Because I am feeling happy, it cannot be a dream. I am seeing Vanara right in front of me. It cannot be a dream. Like that, in several ways, Sitamma going through several situations. And now Sitamma kept quiet. Then Hanuma noticed everything what Sitamma is going through. And now started singing about the glory, the divine qualities of Ramachandra Swami. Hanuma saying that Aditya iva tejasvi. Ramachandra Swami is having a great effulgence like sun. Lokakantaha sesi yadha. His face is always pleasant like full moon. Such is Ramachandra Swami. Raja Sarvasya Lokasya. He is the king and master of all the worlds. That is Ramachandra Swami. Ramachandra Swami has a great valor equivalent to Sri Mahavishnu. Ramachandra Swami always speak truth like Brahaspati. Ramachandra Swami always speak very sweet. Ramachandra Swami is so handsome. Ramachandra Swami has great effulgence and glow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, हे हे सीतारामा। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.